Are you in full control of your valuable assets and important documents? Or are you looking for leading end-to-end solution providers who can address your ever-mounting problems of lost, poorly managed, and underutilized assets? Let's face it, locating, identifying, and auditing your assets can be time-consuming. This is why TechnoWave Group offers an innovative, industrially standard, easy-to-install, world's first DIY kit for asset management to make your job easier. Let's take Matt for example. Matt walks into the conference with his RFID reader and scans the surroundings while he walks. This gives him complete visibility of each asset and other information that provides him with the asset's precise condition and location. He can easily track acquisitions, depreciations, removal and disposal of assets, and get timely alerts and notifications about pending maintenance needs. Available with a subscription model, we are the RFID experts who can address the hardware, software, and partner needs for industries, such as manufacturing, hospitals, construction, institutions, and more with plug-and-play models. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us at www.technowavegroup.com and let us build custom solutions for your individual needs.